Artist Christine Alfery here from northern Wisconsin. As I've mentioned to you in the past, I'm a conceptual contemporary artist, and I am working on pieces right now that are a challenge for me with pencil marks. And I want my pencil marks to show because I think they're very much a part of the work as I am creating. This is the very beginning of a piece that it is stuck on plastic that I keep the surfaces with because I get so much paint on them. But I started this piece. It's a sheet of watercolor paper that is 300 pounds, so it takes a lot of abuse. And I started with my gestural pencil marks on it. My guess is when I finish this piece, you won't recognize these marks, but maybe you will. I have a couple challenges. I want to keep it thin. I want to keep the watercolor kind of transparent. I'm thinking of putting a figure in here, but this is just laying the groundwork for where I'm going to start. And there's one, these are graphite pencil in here, and there's one layer of watered down white that I put on this, and now I'm sharing it with you. So I use a lot of water in my pieces, and it all flows down into a recycle bucket so I don't hurt the environment, because as you can see out my studio windows, it's winter here, but it's also we're in the woods, and I don't want this paint to become part of the earth and flow into the lake. So a lot of colors that I use a lot, I use mason jars. This has my white in it. This one I haven't even started yet. I did paint white on the edges. This is cradled clayboard, which is accepted in a lot of watercolor exhibitions. I painted the edges white while I had the white out because I will paint the edges. They'll become part of my piece. Cradled clayboard is masonite applied to a frame. Here you can see my very wonderful paint table with all its many, many colors. And then over here I'm doing a smaller one. Again, I applied the pencil marks and some whitewash paint, and we'll see what happens.